Alright, so we got our barbecue board trio all finished. Machine work done, assembled. Got that front board right there. This is the Daniel Boone or Ledge. We'll also have a set of these for the Jim Bowie and Peak. There's our sideboard. We've got our rub rack to complete the set. I want to touch on some of the highlights here. All walnut construction, extremely deep juice groove. It's a 1/2 inch deep, 1/2 inch wide. Stainless steel handles. We got the set of 3, the trio, which is what it will be called on the website. 1.5 inch thick. Rubber feet on the sideboard here. We made it in such a way that the rubber feet actually position the board and keep it from sliding off of the rack. On the front, the rubber feet provide grip on the shelf. Visit our website, www.bbqboards.store. All items are in stock and will ship within 1 to 3 business days.